Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 10 ways to use the print function in Python. Number 1, to print a string, use single quotes within parentheses. Number 2, you can also use double quotes instead of single quotes, and it's just a matter of preference. Number 3, use the backslash character to escape quotes within quotes. Number 4, the print function accepts 0 or more expressions as arguments as long as they are separated by commas. Here I'm passing 3 arguments to the print function, and the second argument is a variable of the type string. Number 5, use the % formatter to format the print output. Alternatively, you can use the format method in conjunction with the curly braces for placeholders to format the print output. Number 7, you can also use the plus operator to concatenate strings. Note, if you're concatenating a variable which is not of the type string, you'll have to use the str function to convert it to a string first. Number 8, make use of the triple quotes for a long message that spans multiple lines. Number 9, leverage the backslash to escape special characters such as the tab space or the new line character. Last but not the least, number 10, use R before the first quote to print a raw string when you want the special characters to print as is. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.